The first step of painting a bathroom is trimming off the surfaces you don't want to get paint on, as I did here with blue masking tape. I masked off the toilet paper holder and the casing around the window. But for the toilet itself, I usually just use a canvas drop cloth to protect the bowl and the floor. But for the toilet tank, I've come up with a really good solution. It's adhesive back food wrap. It's a relatively new product and it works great for protecting the toilet tank from paint. Take one long piece and stick it on the top. It's got just enough adhesive that if you press it down, you see it holds pretty well. Then take another sheet, a nice long one, and wrap the back of the toilet so that when you paint the wall, you don't get paint all over the toilet tank. Just rip it off. And again, you press it on. It sticks nice and tightly. Now, I'd probably put one more piece along the bottom. Now, when you paint, you can get your roller or your brush back there, and you won't get hardly any paint on the toilet tank as long as it's protected by this plastic. And then when the job's done, peel this off after the paint dries, because you don't want to mess up your fresh paint job. Then you only have to worry about cleaning the inside of the toilet, not the outside.